Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is card number 2 of the Home for the Holidays October 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And I have to say, I am really impressed with this kit. It is absolutely gorgeous. Most of the work is done for you. You have to stamp the greeting and do a little bit of the glitter glue, but otherwise it's absolutely gorgeous. Super easy to line up. I've got my 2 die cuts here and everything lines up at the bottom of the card. It's already kind of cut to stack like that so that you don't have to guess about where to put things. So that makes it super simple. And I've got my card base. I've already folded it. I need my glitter banner and I need my regular banner. I'm going to take my Stampin' Spot and my Merry Christmas stamp and just ink it up, stamp it away to just make sure I've got good coverage. And I do this, these stamps are gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to ink that up, put the top back on it, and we're going to stamp this down. So we've got the Merry Christmas. We're going to put it in the middle of the banner like that. Excellent. All right, put that off to the side. I need to put some dimensionals on the back of it. And where the dimensionals need to come just a little bit in like this. Again, follow the placement instructions on the diagram. Okay, so we're going to do this. And again, we're doing it just a bit crooked. So we're going to put that on, and then this is going to go on just that little bit crooked. Enough so it looks like you've done it on purpose and it wasn't just a couldn't line it up issue. So I'm going to put our adhesive dots on the back here like this and pop that off to the side. So that's step 1 done. Step 2 is to take our pieces like this and we're going to put dimensionals on them. So 1 dimensional at the top, 1 there, and here, here, and here. And then on this one, 1 there, there, bottom corner, middle bottom, other bottom corner, and then 1 kind of staggered there, and 1 there. All right. So now I need to layer these up onto the card. The first one that goes on is this one. So let's just go ahead. I'm just going to squish the backs of all of those just to make it a bit easier to peel them all off. So yeah, you've got to have your little container to catch all your bits on this one or on this set, or you're going to have these little dimensional backs all over your house. So I do find them in the strangest places in my house. We're going to layer that up, line it up at the bottom, and pop it down like that. We're going to do the same thing with the second one. Peel all those backs off. Honestly, I think this probably takes the most time for the whole card, is peeling the backs off. And then we get to do the glitter glue on this one as well. Super, super fun, super quick cards. Most of the work, like I say, is done for you. You just need to do 1 greeting stamp and then some glitter glue. So we're going to pop that down like that, and you can see it all kind of layers up. So there's some really nice dimension in this one. We're going to put our greeting on at the bottom here, and we're going to place it so that the greeting is straight. So your sparkly banner is going to be just a bit crooked. There we go. And again, we're going to follow the gray lines on here. We've got some roof peaks that we need to do. So all 5 houses are going to need some glitter glue on them. And again, there's kind of a bit of a blue line around the edge that we can use to follow. So I'm going to start the glue here. I'm going to go along the edge and down and come back and then up again. And that's the whole roof on that one. Now this one, I need to start here, come up to the top across the top, down the side, and then along the top. And then I need to do the little dormer windows as well with some snow. Okay, next house over, we're going to do this one. And I'm coming up here, along here. I didn't squeeze hard enough there. And then down the side here and across the bottom. Okay, and then I need to come down here. So am I doing, and we're doing all the window tops here. So there we go, and like that, and like that. So on the picture, wherever there's kind of a gray line in the instructions is where you need to put your glitter glue. So I'm going to come up with the peak here, and then across the top of the house, stopping at the chimney, coming onto the other side of the chimney, and across the top. And we're doing the window sills on this one. And I need to come up, and I need to do this house here because I haven't done this one yet. So we're going to come up and then skip the chimney, come down the other side, and up and around. And am I doing the window sills? I'm doing the window sills on this one as well. So there we go. I love these cards. They are just so fantastic. All right, so that is project number 2, done using the October 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit and adding our sparkly glue. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for that first alternate card.